In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix Discord overlay not working in Roblox. If your Discord overlay doesn't show up while you're playing Roblox, don't worry, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that actually work. So first of all, open Discord and head over to settings by clicking the gear like icon at the bottom. And now I want you to go to game overlay under activity settings, game overlay. And I want you to make sure enable in-game overlay is turned on. A lot of people miss this simple step, so I want you to make sure that's enabled. And now scroll down and make sure the hotkey to toggle the overlay isn't conflicting with anything else. So I think the default hotkey is shift and this kind of symbol, I don't know, this slash, I don't know, this kind of symbol. And what happens is most people in Roblox use shift for shift lock, and that kind of conflicts with that, and sometimes the overlay doesn't open because of this. So go ahead and edit your keybind and change to anything else that works, and it should be completely fine. So for example, I'll go back to Roblox and I'll press alt and the symbol, and there you go, it works for me. All right, now if this still does not work for you, let's go over a few other fixes. Okay, now what I want you to go do is go back to Discord, and I want you to go to under activity settings. I want you to go to registered games. Okay, and if Roblox isn't listed here, click add it and select Roblox from the list. Add it and select Roblox from the list. For me, it's already there, so it doesn't show up, but just make sure the app is opened. Okay, and it should show up here. Could be any game on Roblox. Now, and make sure it also says overlay on next to it. All right, if it says off, click it once you toggle it on, so it's green for me, as you can see. Okay, now if this still doesn't work, I want you to close both Discord and Roblox and right click on each of the app and run them as administrator. So you just press Windows as Roblox, run as administrator, Discord, run as administrator. And sometimes this could just be the fix you're looking for. If this also still does not work, while you're playing in a Roblox game, I want you to go to Roblox and press escape and go to settings. And I want you to scroll down till you find full screen, okay? And I want you to off it. If it's already off, try on opening it, and or vice versa, right? Just to see if it works in the other mode or not. Sometimes this might just be the issue. So if it works, great. If it still doesn't work, I do have a couple more fixes. I want you to go back to Discord now and just press Ctrl R and check for any Discord updates available. All right, just to make sure it's up to its latest version and there are no bugs. Okay, because sometimes it could just be a bug, and after the update for Discord continues and it's done, it just fixes the issue sometimes. Now if none of these issues work, I do have some bonus fixes for you. Go to Discord, right, and go to advanced settings here, right here under app settings, and I want you to off hardware acceleration and try your shortcut command for the Discord overlay again. This sometimes fixes the issue. If this still doesn't work, I want you to off or close any third-party overlays like Xbox Game Bar, GeForce Experience, or MSI Afterburner, because they sometimes conflict with Discord. And lastly, if none of these works, just try reinstalling Discord. Okay, it just refreshes all of the overlays files. So I hope this video helps you guys out, and I hope your Discord overlay is working again. And that'll be it for today, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.